So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadaiva classes. You are in Standard 3 and this is the textbook of your Standard 3 English Medium English Bal Bharati. Today we are going to take a story, the story of Sindbad, the sailor. The story of Sindbad, the sailor. The story of Sindbad, the sailor. Let's see what is in this story and who is Sindbad and all. The story of Sindbad and his seven fantastic voyages appears in the huge collection of stories, the Book of 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights. Okay, it is taken from the book known as Arabian Nights. The story tells us that Sindbad was a famous sailor. He was a famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. He was honest, generous, and brave. He had many adventures on each of his voyages. Voyages, you know very well that it is त्याला आपण काय म्हणूया समुद्री सफर म्हणू त्याला ओके समुद्र का सफर. He never lost heart and hope in dangerous situation. He overcame great dangers, returned home safely from each of his voyages. Here is the story of his first voyage. It is the story of his first voyage. Okay, this is the story of his first voyage. So let's start the story and see what is the or what was the adventure he had. First voyage. Let's see now. Sindbad set sail Sindbad set sail with a company of merchants on a big ship. From time to time, they stopped at various ports. There, they sold their merchandise and bought new things to trade. Okay, so they were going from one place to another. They were doing the business or the trade. They were doing the business or the trade. Okay, now one day, what happened? One day, when their ship was sailing smoothly across the sea, they spotted a small island at a distance. They had not seen land for many days and felt both surprised and happy to see the island. They sailed close to the island. The captain of the ship allowed them to go there for a picnic. So picnic मनाने चले गए क्योंकि बहुत दिनों से उन्होंने जमीन देखी नहीं थी. So they saw a small island. कैप्टन ने बोला जाओ भाई चलो पिकनिक करके फटाफट फटाफट आ जाओ. Now everyone was excited on the island. Everyone was excited. Everyone was excited. On the island, they strolled around, sang, and danced. Some people began to wash even clothes. Some lit fires to cook meals. Okay, वहाँ पे लोगों ने कपड़े धोने चालू कर दिए. खाना बनाने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? Lit fires. Okay, आग वगैरह ठिकाने लावली. Right? Island. Now. Soon a breeze sprang up, the fires began to blaze. Suddenly the land began to shake and move. With a shock, the picnic party realized that the island was not an island at all. They were on the back of a huge sea monster and it had started moving. क्या हुआ था उस वक्त देखो सगळ्यांना वाटलं अरे तिथं आयलंड आहे बेट आहे बट इट वॉज नॉट अन आयलंड ते एका मोठ्या सी मॉन्स्टरच्या बघा सी मॉन्स्टरच्या पाठीवर होते सगळे कुठे होते दे वेयर ऑन द बैक ऑफ द ह्यूज सी मॉन्स्टर एक बड़ा सा समंदर का मॉन्स्टर था उसके पीठ पे ये सब लोग उतर गए थे एंड इट स्टार्टेड मूविंग पीपल बिगन टू स्क्रीम लोग ओढ़ाने लगले लोग चिल्लाने लगे दे लेफ्ट देयर पॉट्स पैंट्स एंड देयर क्लोथ्स सब छोड़ के वो भागने लगे बोथ वॉश्ड अनवॉश्ड द रश्ड बैक टू द शिप सब भाग गए किधर गए शिप पे सब चले गए नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग the ship ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the monster. Ship को बोला चलो भाई जल्दी जल्दी देखो. You can see it here. जल्दी जल्दी चलो और हम यहाँ से जल्दी से बाहर निकल पड़ेंगे. सगळ्यांनी पटापट चला पटकन बाहेर निघूया आपण इथून. Okay? चलो. Now the sea monster here plugged plunged deep into the sea. Many of the people managed to climb aboard the ship, but many sank into the sea with the so-called island. Sinbad alone drowned in the sea, but he could not reach the ship. He saw it sailing far, far away. He was now at the mercy of the waves. Being tossed here and there, he clung to a piece of wood and somehow managed to keep afloat. He spent the night alone at the sea. सिंधुआद के साथ क्या हुआ? वो डूब नहीं गया था. He wasn't ड्रॉन बट व्हाट हॅपन की त्याचं शिप निघून गेलं होतं उसका शिप निकल गया था अँड ही वॉज केप्ट अफ्लोट त्याने एक लाकडाचं मोठं पीस ऑफ वुड बडा पीस ऑफ वुड ही managed to take and he was floating in the sea. He was floating in the sea. So when the next day dawned, Sindbad was happy to see that he had floated near an island, a real big island, not the fake island, the real big island. He could see hills and woods and trees at a distance. Though he was extremely tired, he swam to the shore with all the strength that he could muster. Exhausted and hungry, he lay on the sand for some time. Then again he made an effort to began to walk inland towards the shady fruit trees so that he could see at a distance. Okay, so उसने एक island देखा and he went to that island. He swam उस वो वहां तक चला गया. Luckily, this was the time when the king of the island sent his horses to the seashore with the grooms. The grooms saw Sindbad and gave him food and drink. Then they took him to the king. Okay, वहां तक क्या हुआ? राजा के the grooms came there and they took him to the king. The king was impressed by the way Sindbad told him about what happened. He asked Sindbad to stay with him and work as an officer of the king at the port. Okay, Sindbad stayed there for a few days, learning a lot from the king and the people on the island, and in turn telling them about the other cities, ports that he had visited. At the port, Sindbad often made inquiries about any ship coming from or going to Baghdad, but he बट नो सच शिप एवर केम टू दैट पोर्ट. तो वो सोच रहा था कि भाई यहाँ पे बगदाद से कोई शिप आता है क्या या फिर कोई जाता है क्या, लेकिन उसको ऐसा कुछ आंसर नहीं मिला. त्याला कळलंच नाही कुठला एखादा शिप येते की नाही ते बगदाद वरून, बिकॉज इट बगदाद वॉज हिज प्लेस. Then one day what happened? A ship arrived at the island with a lot of merchandise. Sindbad was at the quay when the cargo from the ship was being unloaded. He was surprised to see that his own name was marked on some of the boxes. Then he went to see the captain of the ship. At first, the captain could not believe that it was the same Sindbad that they had seen drowning in the sea. But then Sindbad spoke to him face to face. He recognized him. He was overjoyed to see Sindbad alive. He gave him he gave him back all his merchandise. तो उसने देखा अरे ये तो मेरा ही शिप मेरे ही यहाँ पे जो सामान आहे सगळं सामान माझंच आहे. कॅप्टनला भेटायला गेला. कॅप्टन बोला अरे तू तो जिंदा आहे. ओके, कॅप्टनला वाटलं चला जिवंत आहे हा, आणि त्याने सगळं सामान त्याला व्यक्तीला देऊन टाकलं. From the goods that he thus got back, Sindbad presented the most valuable items to the king of the island, saying, "Please accept this, your majesty. You have been very kind and very generous to me." The king was pleased and he too gave Sindbad many valuable gifts when Sindbad left the island. अभी सिंदबाद वहां से जा रहा था, उसने सिंदबाद ने क्या किया, राजा को भी क्या दिया था, प्रेजेंट दिया था. राजा ने उसको प्रेजेंट दिया. If you want to know what happened to Sindbad afterwards, then you have to read the story of Voyages of Fantastic Voyages. So this was the lesson or a story. If you are able to write the question answers, you can write the question and answers. Or what can you do? You can write some hard words from this poem, from this story. And you might have the workbook with you, so you can write answers from there also. So have a good day. Bye everyone.